Yeah, all right. So GJ did its move, as we see. I did exit sells when it started come up here, and then I re-entered right as I saw the amount of momentum that was coming back in. I knew it was up. So let me just, okay, so we understand that my bias was sells because this is how I was looking at it, right? It was from this perspective. I was like, okay, 61.8, you're in my zone, cool. I think this is the part where we're gonna go bearish because you had this little break of minor support, right? Then we could have even been tracking this little bullish counter trend and then enter on that break. Yeah, so my take profit for this trade is right here. Okay, so whatever, that's cool. I already explained TJ. So for gold now, I believe I'm in profit for gold, right? So when price was doing all of this, right, for a second, and in my head I was like, as strong as the dollar just got, right, within the past few hours. Oh, this is why I shouldn't even, I'm going to show you the note that I had. I go on the gray chart because, I mean, you can't really see my things when I'm on here. So I said, when this breaks bullish, good may start, gold may start going bearish. So that was kind of my expectancy, because if it's good for the US dollar, then, gold should be expected to go bearish, even if it's just short term. So when a few minutes ago, before price started going a little more bearish, I was saying that, like, I think that's a lie. Like, I was expecting, I think that around 7-8 o'clock, again, around the same time, I think that there's going to be a spike back down. But that's just what I think. We don't know. But with the gold being as strong as it just got, that's what I expect. So I'm still in gold sells until around this area. And I'm in GJ sells as well. It is in a very sensitive area right now, price on GJ, because you can see this level on, like, pretty much all the time frames. I mean, check it out on the monthly. You see this area is used as resistance. Now you're being used as support. Well, was being used as support, which is why I even went for these buys in the first place, because I understood where we was. Now, when it comes to coming back here a second time, if it doesn't go with structure, you can't really expect this, right? Because the more times it get hit, the weaker it gets. And that's also very factor based also. But yeah, that's UK 100. This is an index that I don't use. I don't really be looking at it like that, but I wanted to point out something, just a shift in momentum. Okay, so I'm focusing right now on, it was just point A, point B, and then we have this point C, but now we see that we broke it. So what would this mean for the pound? It's the weakest it's been in a while. The last time, this was around September 20th. September 20th was when we had our big break from GJ right over here, or the beginning, right? The pinnacle of that, the start of this move. So it's like, you got to ask yourself, how can you relay this back and forth to its opposite, to its pair, to its currency? So now that we've had this break, it's kind of making me think, well, what if this is just the start of okay, hold on. So this was the high, and this is technically a higher high. We can even do this and say, what if it comes down here? Like, what if it does that? Because we do have a break of, I would say maybe we have a break of structure on the 4-hour. On the daily, though, I can tell this is daily structure right here. Yeah. On the daily, though, the structure has not been broken, right? Because the daily structure is higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, expecting a higher low. But at the moment, we see that we might have a little bit of bearish movement, right? Especially what's happening right now. Right now. So I do expect a little bit more of a bearish push, you know. Damn, now I'm wondering, what was this? 25th of February. That sounds like Brexit or something of this year, February 20th. Down. That was last year. Yeah, I didn't. That's intense. That's intense. Okay, so we see that it correlates pretty nicely, right? So if we have some confirmation on whatever this girl is right here, which I think is an index of the Great British Pound, if we have confirmation that she's about to go bearish, you know, in more than one ways, and we have confirmation that, well, we already know GJ is more so on the bear side for the moment, then it's just, you know, giving me more confluence. Yeah, I saw this GU drop coming, especially I realized that she really likes these whole levels, right? These whole number levels. So when price came up here and I saw this little drop, I was like, bro, this is a break of minor support right here. I expect some type of lower high during a time of volatility to continue bearish. Oh, and the take profit for this one, oh, I guess it's down here. So yeah, that's all I have. That's all I have for right now. So, oh my God.